Not only we could find everything on Microsoft Word, also we could replace them. I could go and click on replace or press Ctrl or Command H. Or it doesn't matter if you open the find and replace or advanced find. The second tab it is replace. Find what? I'm looking for you. And replace with, let's say, your. You could find them, find next. Okay. No, I don't want to have your. So you know that you have to enable find whole words only and make sure you expand it. Again, I could go very top and search it again. Find next. Would you like to replace? Yes. No, if you don't want to replace this one, click on find next. Actually, it's skipping. Or you could replace them all. Okay. How can I bring back? Of course, you could swap the values. I move this here and bring you here. Replace them all and again replace 57. And again, exact same features and parameters here. You have access to do that. Sometimes you might realize you've written something wrong. For example, let's say I want to change the video with something different. Let's say video, and I have to replace with video. Okay, I could replace them all. Now your teammates say, no, it is wrong. You have to replace back, or this is typo overall. How we could replace it easily? Ctrl or Command H, type the wrong one, video, and type the correct one, video. Replace all. Okay, and replace. And we have the go-to, which I will mention on the references later on, but based on page, sections, lines, bookmark, and many other stuffs you could navigate between them. You already get familiar when I was clicking on the reference on table of content or link. Actually, they was going to there.